Today, I am reviewing Acer Nitro V15 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance gaming laptop that combines raw power, stunning graphics, and advanced AI features, the Acer Nitro V15.6-inch gaming laptop is an impressive choice for 2025. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H processor, this laptop delivers exceptional multitasking capabilities, allowing you to seamlessly run heavy games, stream content, edit videos, or manage multiple productivity apps at the same time without experiencing any lag. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 dedicated graphics card takes gaming visuals to a whole new level. With 6 GB of DDR5 RAM and AI-enhanced DLSS 3.5 technology, ray tracing is smoother and more realistic, bringing every in-game environment to life. Whether it's shadows, reflections, or particle effects, the graphics performance ensures you experience games exactly as developers intended. From fast-paced shooters to open-world RPGs, the RTX 4050 provides a significant edge in both performance and immersion. The display is another highlight of the Acer Nitro V. It features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen with a 165Hz refresh rate. This combination ensures ultra-smooth visuals with minimal ghosting, perfect for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. The matte finish reduces glare, making it comfortable for extended gaming or work sessions, while the 82.64% screen-to-body ratio provides an immersive viewing experience that pulls you right into the action. For memory and storage, this laptop comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, giving you blazing fast load times and ample storage for games, multimedia, and professional projects. The system is also upgradable to 32 GB of RAM, which future-proofs your device for upcoming software and games. Connectivity is robust, ensuring that your online experience is fast and reliable. With Wi-Fi 6 and killer Ethernet E2600, lag is minimized, giving you a competitive advantage in online matches. The Thunderbolt 4 port supports high-speed data transfer, video output, and charging, offering flexibility for external devices and monitors. Multiple USB ports, HDMI 2.1, and an audio jack ensure that all your peripherals can connect without any hassle. Cooling is always critical in gaming laptops, and Acer addresses this with a dual-fan cooling system and efficient exhaust design. Even during intense gaming sessions, the Nitro V remains cool and quiet, allowing you to focus on your game without distractions. The laptop also comes with NitroSense software, letting you customize fan speeds, monitor system performance, and access AI tools that enhance both productivity and gaming efficiency. The backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad is designed for comfort and precision. Whether you're typing, gaming, or using shortcuts for productivity, the keys respond well and feel solid under pressure. The aesthetic design features subtle gradient accents inspired by neon cityscapes, which adds a modern and futuristic look to your gaming setup. For communication, Acer integrates Purified View and Purified Voice AI technology, reducing background noise and providing crystal-clear video and audio during streams, meetings, or multiplayer sessions. This ensures you're always heard and seen clearly, whether in a virtual meeting or an online battle. In conclusion, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop strikes a perfect balance between powerful hardware, exceptional graphics, and thoughtful design features. It is ideal for gamers, content creators, and power users who need a machine capable of handling demanding applications without compromise. With its i7 processor, RTX 4050 GPU, 165Hz IPS display, DDR5 memory, and 1TB SSD, this laptop ensures you stay ahead of the curve in both gaming and productivity. If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and future-ready gaming laptop, the Acer Nitro V is an investment that delivers performance, style, and cutting-edge technology in one package.